Hello friends, welcome to BMH Learning. This video deals with differential diagnosis. Not every health disorder can be diagnosed with a simple lab test. It's because many conditions cause similar symptoms. So, a differential diagnosis is used to help diagnose those health disorders and conditions that cause similar symptoms. For example, many infections cause fever, headaches, and fatigue. Many mental health disorders cause sadness, anxiety, and sleep problems. Now, it often involves several tests, that is, the differential diagnosis. So, these tests can rule out conditions and determine if you need more testing. Now, how doctors make a differential diagnosis? So, most differential diagnoses include a physical exam and a health history, including your family history. So you will also be asked about your family's health problems. Your provider may also order lab tests for different diseases. Lab tests are often done on blood or urine. So if a mental health disorder is suspected, you may get a mental health screening as well. This was all. Thanks for watching.